Hi, my name is Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English, Every Day. So today we're talking about striving for a growth mindset. When you strive for something, you're working towards that thing. We're gonna talk about some helpful mantras. Now, a mantra is something we say to ourselves to encourage ourselves. And we're focusing on positive self-talk. We have a lot of negative things that could be happening in our heads due to our subconscious level thinking. So we really need to rewire the brain and make our self-talk positive so that we're motivated and encouraged to do new things. Remember, add your comments for me to review. You can write in your own mantras and let me review them and check them for you in English. I can help you with your writing skills when you write in the comments below. Now, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give my videos a like, please. All right, guys, so today we're talking about growth mindset. So Duick says that a growth mindset is, in a growth mindset, people believe that their most basic abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Brains and talent are just the starting point. This creates a love of learning and a resilience that is essential for great accomplishment. All right, so our mindset is how we think. A growth mindset means we can expand and adapt and change and grow, right? We have talent. We have our brains, right? But that's not everything. We can develop, right? No matter what we're given in life, we're able to develop these things. But we have to be ready to develop here. Now, the opposite of a growth mindset is a fixed mindset. That basically says, this is how I am, and this is how things work. So you get to decide. Are you ready to expand your ideas, to grow, to learn new things, to have new experiences? Or are you just going to be stuck where you are because you don't think you can do any better? Now, a love of learning is so important when we're talking about English, right? So it's really important when we're talking about anything, right? I mean, you need to love what you're doing so you continue it. So really encouraging yourself and helping yourself love what you're doing will cause more success in the future, will lead to more success. So I have a list of some mantras that I just love, and I think they're really helpful. So let's repeat them, okay? I'm gonna say them and I want you to repeat after me, and then we'll go through them in a little more detail. I'm on the right track. I can do difficult things. Mistakes help me grow and learn. I improve with practice. I go after my dreams. I strive for progress. I solve problems. I ask for help when needed. I try to do my best. I can learn anything. I embrace challenges. I got this. I try new things. I stick with things and accomplish my goals. Share your favorite mantras in the comments. I added some of mine, all right? So check those out and let me know what you think of my favorite mantras. All right, so let's look at these a little more so we can really make sure we understand what each one is saying. I'm on the right track. So if we're on the right track, we're on the way to do something, right? Think about it. If I run on a track that's a circle, right, it's like the way. So when I'm on the right track, I'm doing what I should be doing. I love this one. I can do difficult things. Something that's difficult is hard, right? Just because something is not easy, it doesn't mean I can't do it. Mistakes help me grow and learn. Now, this is a hard one for language learners because no one wants to make mistakes when they're speaking aloud with people. But I have a bunch of videos about how I've had learners discover that making mistakes, isn't the worst thing. It is a way to learn. So check out in the description, I have some links to videos about, the positive side of making mistakes and how to shift, how to change your mindset so you're okay with making mistakes because they help you grow and learn. I improve with practice. When we improve, we get better. I love this. I don't need to improve a lot all the time. I can make a gradual, a small improvement and see results in the future. I go after my dreams. When you go after something, you work for it. You're doing things to make it happen. I love this, right? I'm not just waiting around for my dreams to happen. I'm going after them. I'm working hard and I'm creating my reality. This kind of goes along with the idea of improving with practice. I strive for progress. Remember, when you strive, you're like really desiring something. You want something to happen, right? So when you strive for progress, you're like, it doesn't need to be perfect. I just want it to be a little better than it was. Progress over time, small progress over time, leads to big shifts and changes. Remember that. I solve problems. When you solve something, you fix it, right? So you can solve math problems, right? You can solve a problem that you have in your relationship by maybe communicating better. I ask for help when needed. Just because we ask someone for help doesn't make us weak, right? It's important to have role models, to have people that guide you. So find those people that you look up to, right? And ask for help when you need it. I try to do my best. When you try, you're intending to do something, right? So I try to do my best. It might not always be awesome, but if it's the best I can do at that moment, that's good enough. We only need to try, right? And then we can get that small progress, those small improvements every day. I can learn anything. I love this. If I'm feeling like, oh man, this is hard, or oh, what am I doing? I can learn anything. It just opens my mind right back up, right? I'm not thinking, oh my God, I hate verb tenses, or I hate practicing the present perfect tense. No. Don't say, I don't understand. Change it to, I can learn anything. I embrace challenges. So an embrace can be like a hug, right? I embrace my children. So when you embrace challenges, it's like you're saying, okay, a challenge is something that's difficult, but that's okay. I embrace them. I'm excited for them. I work on things. So challenges help me grow. I don't run away from challenges. I embrace them. I got this. All's good, right? I can do this. I got it. I try new things. Again, I'm not stuck doing the same thing over and over again. If something doesn't work, that's okay. I tried my best and I try new things. I can try something else. I stick with things and accomplish my goals. When you stick with something, you stay with it. Like a sticker, right? This is a sticker. It is sticky. It sticks. So when you stick with something, you continue doing it, right? So I continue working on myself and I achieve my objectives. A goal is an objective, something you want to accomplish. When you accomplish something, you achieve it. All right, guys. Now, we have an awesome online English learning platform called Vagaru. It's an awesome community where we work together to support each other, not only in our English learning, but like in life, right? We talk about these kind of things. In our webinars, we share mantras that excite us, that encourage us, right? It's really a place that you can have a community, but you also have a self-study program. You can choose from 5 different levels, right, of different language learning. And every week you get activities in 4 different levels that you can work on for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour every day. You're in control, so you decide how much time you put in. All right, so there's a 14-day free trial. Check it out. Go to the website that's in the description below. All right, guys, so if you like my video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. You know, add in your comments, ask me questions, and you can always email me for more information. Work on that growth mindset, guys. Strive to have a growth mindset. It will take you far in life. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good one.